Hello everybody, my name is Michael Wright and this is the weekend Elliottwave video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over the risk disclaimer. Alright, let's jump right into the market. As of late, we are in a couple of open trades. We are in a pound dollar short, which is working out. Well, let's look at that first, okay? The pound dollar, we traded off of the breakout and retest on the back end, okay? Looking at the pair, we got short at 168.57. So up a little bit, up about 20 pips. Really looking forward a down move of at least 166.50. Okay. I know when we called it out, we put it for 164. We'll look to take off at least a quarter of the position there, maybe even half. Depending on how long it takes to get there. Obviously, time is a factor. So we'll play that end out on that notion there. This is either an A, B, or a 1-2, as you can see. And looking for the ideal C wave, third wave will likely come down around 100% Fibonacci extension, or it could really extend further to the 161.8% fib. So let's watch how this pair develops on the 4-hour time frame. If we open up the time frame, another reason why I do like this short is just looking at the daily time frame. This is the pound yen coming up right now. I'll talk about this shortly, but that's something else I'm looking to get into sooner than later. Let's look at this pound dollar. Now this pound dollar on the daily time frame, what you'll see is first you'll have some divergence that is worth noting. Alright, and then you'll see the same breakout also on this daily time frame. Now again, you see the divergence here, and then you'll see the daily trend line. Okay, this is very, very, very important. Again, because 164 may not even be large enough for that. It could even possibly extend further down. Again, for me, I'm just looking for a short-term drop, and then we'll look to sell further in the near future. Okay, add on to the position, and then really look for further downside swings. Again, you can see that though with new highs, momentum has really failed to carry through, and so we'll watch how the pound dollar does develop over the upcoming days to upcoming weeks. In terms of the pound yen I like a lot. Looking for a little bit higher to get short the pound yen, but we can see off of the inside trend line the breakout there, and then ideally looking for at least the 61.8% fib extension, which is about 166.50. So that would give you a little bit over 400 pips. Okay, so a little bit over 400 pips will give you that, and so we'll keep a close eye on the pound yen for a little bit higher to get short this pair, which will ideally match up with the pound dollar. Alright, other trade that we are still in the Kiwi yen from 87.42. Stops there are already at break even, and we're looking for targets of about 82. Alright, so nothing really developing there. It's kind of showing a lackluster performance, but still looking for the Kiwi yen to continue its downside movement going forward. Let's pull up the chart, and I'll show you the developments there. It bounced off of the 100%. In my opinion, I think we break that and then head lower and meet that 161 fib extension. We already broke that trend line. That was the original short. If you're looking for that 84.70 marker, I have a trigger price of 82, which is the 261, so pretty far away. The reason why I still like the Aussie yen for shorts is because the Kiwi yen for shorts is because what the Aussie yen is doing, and Aussie yen, because it broke the 100% fib, indeed is a little bit higher, but next real fibs support lies around 92.40. So we have there that key support. So we'll watch how things develop on that notion. Dollar Singapore dollar, still in that trade as well. Up a little bit. We got in from 124.97. We're up close to 30 pips, so we'll likely go to break even just to take some risk off of the table. Again, same developments there, so I'm not going to put too much emphasis on the dollar Singapore dollar, but we'll go to break even just to, again, take risk off the table. Dollar yen broke back above that resistance level that we previously broke. Again, because I like the pound yen for shorts, I'm looking to get into pound yen shorts. I still like Aussie yen for shorts, etc. I'm gonna stick with the current dollar yen short and see how this pair does react in the upcoming hours. My stop is still pretty far. Again, still have that 40 pip stop. We still have that trend line resistance and not too far away. So if you're looking to get short or are short, I like to stay short. If you're looking to get short, I have resistance coming up very shortly, around 102.05 about. So keep a close eye on dollar yen, and then a rejection of that zone and then bounce lower will add a color to this picture we're painting with the yen futures really gathering steam. Alright guys, so just a couple of trades we are currently looking at and are in. I will update as the hours and days go past. Next video will probably be released tomorrow. Well, tomorrow is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day to everybody. And if not tomorrow, we'll upload another video on Tuesday. Feel free to Skype me at wtcg.mike or chat to me in the chat room, or feel free to send me an email at trade@rightinv.com. Cheers everyone, and good luck trading.